Are you curious to know what those cute baby animals are saying with their squeaks and chirps? Yet, let's dive into the world of baby animals' sounds. First up, we have baby chicks. Their soft peeps are not just for show, they're actually calling for their mum. Next, listen to this squeaky meow. That's a kitten asking for attention or food. Now check out these playful yips from a baby fox. They're practicing their future hunting skills and bonding with their siblings. And what about those tiny bleats from baby goat? They're saying, "Hey, where's everyone? A call to stay close to the herd." Finally, let's not forget the baby elephants. Their trumpet-like sounds are expressions of excitement and joy. Isn't it amazing how these little sounds carry big meanings? So next time you hear a baby animal, you'll know they're speaking a language of their own. Thanks for joining us on this sound-filled adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun animal facts.